How to change password in the Character.AI app. If you have forgotten about your password and want to change it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Character.AI app. Then you will see something like this. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top right here. Then tap onto settings. Then scroll down and find the sign out option. Now tap on it. Now you can see you have been signed out. Now to continue with one of these, simply tap onto one of these just like this. Change the password of the Character.AI app. You need to simply change the password of your email or your Google. For that, simply go onto the Google or email app and then tap on to forgot password or want to change password. And by doing that, you can simply change the password of the Character.AI app, because you are just using the ID of your email or Google to use the Character.AI app. And that's it. This is how you can change the password in the Character.AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.